The 2024 Volvo XC90, now in its ninth year, continues to age with undeniable grace, standing out as one of the most stylish mid-size luxury SUVs on the market. Its sleek design and modern interior captivate with rich material choices. Despite the snug third row, the XC90 offers a comfortable haven for miles, enhanced by three powertrains, ranging from the entry-level B5 with 247 horses to the potent 455 ponies in the plug-in hybrid recharge variant, capable of 36 miles on electric power alone. While the XC90 isn't flawless, some may find fault in the small dashboard display and the touchscreen infotainment controls. It boasts strengths that overshadow its weaknesses. It may not claim the top spot in a segment populated by heavyweights like Porsche Cayenne and BMW X5, but the 2024 Volvo XC90 certainly earns a deserving spot on your mid-size luxury SUV shortlist. For 2024, Volvo introduces subtle changes, bidding farewell to the dark theme and its black exterior trim, while the bright theme with chrome accents persists. Pricing starts at $57,195, reaching up to $80,195 based on trim and options. Optimal configuration advice suggests starting with the Plus trim, adding the 295 HP B6 powertrain, and opting for the cost-effective 7-passenger bench seat layout over second-row captain's chairs. Under the hood, even the B5 and B6 powertrains benefit from a 48-volt electric motor. The B6 powertrain, available on Plus and standard on Ultimate trim, elevates output to 295 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid XC90 Recharge reigns as the most powerful, reaching 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. Steering responses are precise, and with optional air suspension, the XC90 provides a refined, insulated ride. Towing enthusiasts should note that not every XC90 achieves the model's 5,000-pound max tow rating. While the 295 HP B6 powertrain and XC90 Recharge can pull that much, the base 247 HP B5 powertrain maxes out at 4,000 pounds. Fuel efficiency aligns with competitors, with the XC90 Recharge boasting an impressive EPA-rated 66 mpg and a 36-mile battery range. However, real-world testing showed a slight discrepancy, achieving 58 mpg and 29 miles on battery power during a 75mm highway test. Inside, the XC90 impresses with an attractive design and high-quality materials, though the third row may not suit adults on longer journeys. The 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, standard in all models, includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, though additional hard buttons and more intuitive controls could enhance functionality. Warranty coverage is average compared to rivals, but Volvo shines with excellent complimentary scheduled maintenance. The limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, the powertrain warranty extends the same, and electrical components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is provided for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Car Gaze channel.